Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a glowing logo or icon effect in CapCut Mobile. So first, just have your icon or logo add to CapCut. So I've already added mine here like this. And after that, go to the video effect. Click on the lens category. And then here find the HDR2 effect. So click on the HDR2, clear. You can adjust the glow as you like, but this is the result. So the effect will make your logo glow like this. Click on the check icon and you are done. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial. Bye!